Okay, Ant-Man helmet, Thingiverse Happy Moon model. I just started it. I'm actually, this is take 2. The first one failed around 3 hours in. Just a piece of the model itself just broke off, and I was happened to be sitting here and heard it turn around, and yep, it was broken off. So somehow it just let go. So this time around, I'm facing it on the x-axis. Last time it was more on the y-axis. I added a couple supports right over here. That is the area where it broke. The piece broke from. And this is a 2-day, 5-hour print. So I don't know if the clock starts now on top of this raft, or did it start when the raft was being created. I'm not sure, so I wrote down both times. I'm curious to see what Cura considers the time, because I don't know, I just didn't see that clock moving over here on this display. It just kept reading 0% even through the whole raft. So now I think it's probably climbing, so because it's starting to add the print to the raft. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully this works out for a second time. Okay, 7% in. I happened to catch a problem I was having right here. It started curling up. It's gonna hit the bottom of the fan duct over there, and I had to heat it up with my soldering iron and hold it down for a second to kind of keep it level, and it's making it now. It's getting by. I'm watching the other side too. It has the same thing, but it's not bowing up like this side did. All right, 28% in on this Ant-Man helmet. So far, so good. All right, 36% in. It's starting on the back now. It's just starting to build this back piece coming around. Everything else overnight made it. Had no issues that I can see or that I heard. Okay, 40% in. It made the back. It completed this back piece all the way around. All right, we are getting there. 73% complete. All right, 91% done. All right, 98% done. I got no support in the crown, so that's not being an issue at all. Okay, all complete. Looking pretty decent. So I mean, this thing just popped out of the oven, so to speak. It just finished. Everything's still hot. I'm gonna let it cool for a little bit before I try to pull it off. Yeah, I gotta do the back half after this. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be a cool build. I like this one. We'll see. Hopefully I like it when I'm done. All right, started getting a little sanding done on them. All right, all sanded down. My first putty. I'm about to give my first prime. It's looking pretty good. We'll see what I got to do after I hit it with a prime. Okay, got my first prime on there. Looking pretty decent. Just gonna let it cure. Give it a sanding tomorrow. 320 grit. Same with the back. This piece looks pretty good. Some areas in here I gotta touch it up a little bit before I do another prime. Yeah, pretty sweet though. Should be a pretty cool helmet when it's done. All right, second prime is done. I just hit it with some 600 just to knock down anything on it. I think we're ready for paint. There's a couple things well, actually we're not ready for paint. I have to go back and do a couple touch-ups, but I won't do a full prime. I'll just hit the area that I touched up. I did get the back on, so if you can see inside here, got the elastic straps, got the magnets in there, locks right in, pretty tight. Okay, so I got the black backing paint on. I'm going with the Spaz Sticks Ultimate Mirror Chrome. And I'm also using their Ultimate Black Backer paint, which I've used this combination before and it come out really nice. This is the one I used on my my Terminator skull, which I never did a video for it. It's one of the first things I started out with a while back, and I just never made a video, but I like the outcome of it. Looks great, and I think it's going to look good on this helmet. Alright, so I got the Spaz Sticks Ultimate Chrome on there now, and I just got a few areas I took the tape off of because I'm going to be doing the red and another color over here, the red stripes up here. Then I gotta still have to do like a dark smoke black or something there in the top. I gotta do the red stripe down the back here. So yeah, I gotta say, I really like the Spaz Stick Ultimate Chrome for this project. I thought it'd come out good. Pretty much what I was hoping I'd see. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, so let's keep going with this. Okay, I did it. I finished it. Ant-Man's complete. I thought it came out really good. I used a Spaz Stick Ultimate Chrome for the front, and pretty much all in here, up here, and I used the Wicked Pearl Black right here. It's like a Wicked Pearl Black airbrush. So I did that around the eyes, over the ears, and a little bit right here, and I used that on this back piece here, up here. This is the Spaz Stick down here. And I also used the Wicked Pearl Red for the red details I did, which is, you know, the stripe here and the power meters down here, and also the little tail light up here. And then I just used some red reflective, I don't know, some sheets of some red reflective plastic that I had. I had sheets of it, different colors. It worked out pretty good. I hot glued those in. I put a cushion set inside it. Yeah, this thing, I mean, yeah, it looks good. It looks good. I mean, nothing's ever perfect. I always want to say it's perfect. I have a hard habit of saying that. But it's not perfect. Nothing's ever perfect. But this thing come out freaking beautiful. Absolutely nice. Very happy with it. It fits great. You can see here, it's like, right here you got the cushion set inside. And basically opens up right here. I got some elastic, and I got these magnets right here. Opens up, shuts right on those. It's comfortable. I printed this, I believe, I might have said already it was 90% scale. I believe that's what I did. You know, because I film these as I go, so sometimes I forget if I mention those things. but yeah, I mean, the post-processing came out really nice. You know, sanding it down and just putty and primer filler, and it just came out. It came out sweet. I'm happy with it. Better than I thought it was going to come out. I think I would have made this helmet a long time ago if I knew it would come out this good. You know. But the movies, I like the movies with the Ant-Man and Wasp. I think I like them both, actually, all three of them. I think there's three of them. But yeah, they're good. Even when he was in the Civil War, when he fought in the Civil War, you know, it was good. So he's a cool character. I like him. So I mean, if you like what I've done here and you like my past videos, I mean, if you haven't seen a lot of them, you should go back and check out some of my builds. They're really nice. I mean, some of my recent ones were Bumblebee and Black Panther, say Red Hood. There's a few that I've done already, and this is just another one for my collection. I think that came out really nice. This one has has a little more of a worn look to it. It's a clean build, but it's not a clean build. When you use the spaz stick and that black backing, it gives you that black looking chrome. That's exactly what I was shooting for. So it's like I've used this on my Terminator skull. This paint is very expensive. It's like $13, $14 for a can, that little can, 3-ounce can or something. But it goes a long way, that stuff too. It goes on heavy, so it's not like you can get. I did this with hardly any of the Ultimate Chrome. The blackened paint was a little more because I did the whole helmet, but I still had plenty left. I mean, yeah, it's good paint. It's good paint, and you cannot put a clear on it. You cannot put a clear on a spaz stick. I could have done the clear back here and the red, but then I'm like, you know what? Why bother? Why bother? I like the finish, the way it looks. Yeah, so I mean, like I said, if you like what you've seen here in my past videos, please subscribe and hit the like and leave a comment. I like hearing from everybody. You know, motivation to keep going, I guess. And this was done on my my Neptune 4 Max. I printed around 200 millimeters per second, I believe. Yeah, it was oh boy, just the first half of it. I want to say a day and 16 hours, maybe. I'm not sure. I might have already said it in one of the videos I've already recorded. So hopefully I did. But anyway, it wasn't that bad. It was a good build. Print is good. I mean, the 4 Max is doing a better job now with the new updates and getting used to it. I haven't tried the new Cura, the 5.6 that's out that says that it's got the 4 Max in it now. I'm going to download it and give it a shot. I'm going to compare it to the 4.8 and my the Orca slicer, and we'll see how each print, you know, lays down the first layer, how it builds up, how it looks. You know, just curious. I'm gonna run them all at the same speed, you know, and I'll just pick something to print, and I'm just gonna try it. Nothing too big. I just want to get through the prints and just take a look at it. So yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to do after this, though. This helmet, I mean, man, I don't know. I mean, I got Armor Smith. I bought it when I bought my printer because I was thinking about doing some armor. And I may get into some armor because, you know, I've got so many helmets now. I've done every helmet I've really ever wanted to do. There's maybe 2 left. Darth Vader would be one. That's a very hard one to do. That has to be wet sanded and just it has to shine like, you know, no tomorrow. Green Goblin from Spider-Man, that's another one I like to do. That's a big helmet, but you know, I got the Max, so we'll see. I don't know yet. I don't know. If I start doing armor, it takes a long time, you know. Probably won't get many other builds in between. So, but if you have any ideas, anything you'd like to see me build and do, throw them in the comments, right? Who knows? I might do it. But on that note, I guess I'm going to have to say, Falcon out.